Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital ICT math type of a question and a topic of survey statistics. Let's dive into it and read and see what this is about. A city government conducted a survey to measure satisfaction with public transportation. The survey included 150 randomly selected residents from one neighborhood. The results showed high satisfaction. What is the largest group to which the survey results can be generalized? All right, so with these type of questions, we want to first make sure we understand the context. You don't want to read quick and then select the choice. That's not what we do. So to understand, there's a study or a survey going on, and in this survey they included 150 randomly selected residents from one neighborhood. And what's important here is specifically one neighborhood, not a different one, not the neighborhood at the opposite direction, one neighborhood specifically. And the results showed high satisfaction. That is also very important, and I would suggest you to work with a highlighter. That makes it easier to remember things when eliminating the choices. What is the largest group to which the survey results can be generalized? Okay, largest group is very important in this context, and generalized is also very important. So what we have here, there's a survey, there's a study that 150 randomly people or residents were selected, and specifically one neighborhood, and the results were high satisfaction. Now the question is the largest group, and yeah, so when they usually ask you for a largest group that can be generalized, they mean a broad choice, So it says 150 people or residents were selected. That means they want you to select a choice that is more than 150 residents, because that was only the survey. And yeah, you will understand when I explain the choices. So A says the 150 residents surveyed. Now, as I said, it says largest group, and that is a huge key point in this text. When it says largest group, it should be more than 150 residents that were surveyed. So we're going to eliminate A immediately. B says all residents of the neighborhood. I'm feeling confident about this one because the 150 residents can represent the whole neighborhood. So if the 150 showed high satisfaction, then it is most likely that the rest of the neighborhood, the rest of the specific one neighborhood, is also going to show high satisfaction. It doesn't have to be, but it's a broader choice, and there's likely that more than 150 people or residents are going to show high satisfaction. So I'm feeling very confident about B, but let's read the other choices as well. C says all city residents who use public transportation. Now, no, because it says city residents. City residents is too broad for our choice we are looking for. There are different neighborhoods, there are different people, and for us to know that, there has to be different surveys from different neighborhoods. But since there was only one survey from one specific neighborhood, that choice is unfortunately very broad for us to choose, so C gets eliminated. And D says all residents of the city. That is also too broad, and there's too less evidence to know that. So there is a connection in every neighborhood. When 150 showed very high satisfaction, then there's likely that the rest of them are also going to be very satisfied. Not all of them, but more than 150 for sure. So B is the correct answer to this given question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.